Planning is the backbone of a successful backpacking trip. Meticulous preparation ensures comfort and enjoyment while minimizing unforeseen problems. Consider the weather, terrain, and your personal needs. These factors can make or break your adventure. When it comes to gear, focus on the essentials: a reliable backpack, a sturdy tent, a cozy sleeping bag, and a supportive sleeping pad. Choose lightweight, durable options that suit your trip's requirements. For clothing, pack breathable, quick-drying layers. Base layers, mid-layers, rain gear, and sturdy hiking boots are crucial for adapting to changing conditions. Layering is key for comfort in varying temperatures. Don't forget toiletries and a basic first aid kit. Minimize weight while maximizing practicality. Efficient packing is essential. Use compression sacks and distribute weight evenly in your backpack. Finally, create a checklist of all these essentials, adjusting it to fit your specific needs. A well-planned trip is a memorable one, so gear up and hit the trail with confidence.